How to manage call history in Google Meet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can manage call history in Google Meets. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll need to make sure that you've installed Google Meet and you've logged in into your account. After you've done that, you can open up your Google Meet. And after you do that, what you'll need to do is tap on the three lines that is on the top left corner. So tap on the top left corner on the three lines. Now from here, you will need to head over to your settings. You will see your settings, tap on it. And after you do that, you will find your different types of settings where you'll also see general and history. If you don't find your history right here, tap on the general and head over to history from there. If you do find your history, tap on it. My bad, let me go back there. And there you will see delete all history. Now, if you want to manage your history, you can tap on delete and then you can delete all of your history. Now, if you want to auto delete as well, tap on auto delete and there you can set a time. So if you keep it on 3 months, it'll just take 3 months to delete all of your call history. If you want to delete everything now, head over to history right here, tap on delete all history and tap on delete. The history will get deleted, and that's how you manage your call history in Google Meet. Thanks for watching guys, that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.